Alright guys, so I'm doing a Instant Pot recipe. I got some carrots, an onion I need to use up, some ground turkey here. Take a look at this. And I got some Organic Girl Super Greens. I'm going to put this on the bottom of my dish. If you put it in a little too early in the Instant Pot, it's going to wilt and make it really soft. Alright, so as you can see, I got some onions in there, got the ground turkey all seasoned, ready to go. And then I'm going to cook it up first, and then I'm going to add some rice, carrots, cabbage, and then hit the rice button on the Instant Pot here. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Alright, so the turkey here is all done, so I'm going to put in the carrots, cabbage, and then put in some rice, and then just hit the rice button, so stay tuned guys. So I got this pepper here. This is grown from my arrow garden, so I'm going to use it up and put it into the, you see the carrots in there with the ground turkey. I'm going to put that in there as well. So yeah, it's a small pepper, it's organic, yeah, alright, be right back. Alright, so the cabbage is in there, the rice is in there, the pepper is in there, and I'm going to hit the rice button. It'll be about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll be back and do a quick taste test for you. Alright guys, so it is all done here, so let's have a taste look at the rice. It looks nice and fluffy. This is brown rice, by the way. Yeah, it's good. You get a lot of aroma, a lot of flavor. Here's the peppers. Yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel. As you can see, the rice is nice and fluffy. So just to let you know, remember I showed you the Organic Girl Super Greens, so that is in my turkey, rice, all that stuff. So I just put it right on top if you don't want it to be a little bit too soggy or anything. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.